Everyone, this is Kijipa Vlogs, a Philippine reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. At agad gawa natin ng reaction of video ang performance ni Julian San Jose na Limitless together with Gigi Deliana. So I won't take any longer, let's start this reaction video.
Welcome back to All Out Sunday!
Okay, Gigi.
Kasama ko napakagandang my bangs, AZ Martinez!
Naku, Michael, excited na ako kasi makakasama ko ang GRLS mamaya.
GRLS?
Lahat ng mga paasa at umaasa.
What's GRLS?
Paasa ka na ba? Joke! Naku, may pinaparinggan ka ate. So,
Ay, bakit naman pinaparinggan? Go.
Limitless collab na to.
Let's all watch this. Hey!
Limitless collab.
4.8 million followers, 215,000 monthly listeners.
Grabe, no?
Sure akong kilala niyo siya. Pero, kilala niyo ba talaga siya? It's time to ask the important questions. Who is your celebrity crush?
Wait! Who's my celebrity crush? Keanu Reeves.
Why do you love singing?
I love singing kasi naipapakita ko sa tao yung kung sino ako, kung paano tumakbo yung puso ko, yung utak ko. And nakikita nila kung gaano ako karo and vulnerable.
Ganda din to ni Gigi eh. Masipag din to eh.
Sino ang gusto mo makakolab?
Ayan.
Siyempre, Asia's Limitless star na!
Ay, atake. Atake. Go. Kung gusto mo yan, go. Limitless. Ay, what's this song? Wow. What's this song? I love that. What's this song? Kahil lalangit? Just, Ay, kalmadong Gigi ngayon ah. Oh, I love that. What if sasama si Gigi sa Queendom? Ay, hindi ito kahil lalaki. Charis. Grabe yung low note si Julian. Low note si Julie yun eh. Oh, nice. Wait lang, sino yun? Si Gigi. Si Gigi pala yun. Wow. Ito yung maganda sa kanilang dalawa, no? Of the song. Ang ganda ng kanta. Gigi Dalana for today's video.
Such a good song para kaming lumuluha.
Oo, totoo. Wow.
Napakaganda ng band din. Grabe. And of course, Julian San Jose.
Totoo nga.
What a beautiful Limitless collab performance.
Indeed, I couldn't agree more.
All Out Sundays, Gigi. Pag hi ka naman sa ating mga kaayos barkada.
Hello po sa inyo, mga kaayos!
Mga kaayos.
Right?
First time.
Yay! Always welcome. You're always welcome here. And talagang napakaganda ng song. Did you write this? Co-write?
It's Miguel and Paolo's composition.
Oh, from Ben and Ben.
Ben and Ben.
From Ben and Ben. Kaya pala.
So how does it feel to perform?
Kaya pala. Pero maganda yung key changes siya doon kanina. Very Ben and Ben nga yung vibe actually. Ang payat ni Gigi. I love Gigi Diliana. This one, this part. La 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 la. Okay. Anyways, that is all for today's video. The Limitless Julian San Jose together with Gigi Diliana. This is Katie Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog.